Hi, welcome to my channel Teach Me. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable developer tab in Excel. Before that, don't forget to share, like, subscribe and click on the bell button. Open up Excel. As you can see in here, I don't see any developer tab. So developer tab is there but it's hidden. So how do you make it available for you? In order to do that, go to File, and in File, left side of the pane, go up to the Options, click on Options. Excel Options window show up, and on the left hand side scroll down up to Customize ribbon. Under Customize ribbon you will see Main tabs. So under Main tabs you can see Developer here. By default it's unchecked, so check Developer and click on OK. As soon as you click on OK on the tab, as you can see, you have a developer tab available where you can do a lot of forms and design macros, so on and so forth. That's all. Thank you for watching.